Okay, stop. So, okay, I'm going to talk. Yeah, that's my friend on the iPad, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to talk about Animal Jam because I'm so bored. Now, you should join Animal Jam account. It's really cool. And hang on, let me take my camera. And it is the best account you will ever go on. It's really fun. Me and my friend are like really epic on it. And if you want to buddy me, my user is, hang on, let me write it down. Is, sorry, that's my friend on there. Okay, okay, there we go. That's my user. Oh god, okay, there we go. There we go, that's my user. If you want to buddy me, quickly write it down.
Don't go breaking my heart.
5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Now, sorry, my computer just went off again. Now, oh, be quiet, Tilly. Oh gosh, yeah, I know. This is my like first time I've ever made this like YouTube account. So yeah, Animal Jam's really cool. But when you're like a member on there, it's gonna be fun. You get animals. You can be an animal. And you can dress up your animal. You can decorate your dens, and you can buy lots of dens. And yeah, and me and my friend are trying to get so many diamonds. So yeah, and hope you've watched this. Sorry if it's a bit boring, but I really want you to go on Animal Jam and buddy me and say if you've seen me. Sorry, that's my friend listening to music. And say that you've seen me on Animal Jam, come to my den and all that. And I hope you'll know how to work it out. You'll find out really easily. So yeah, bye. See you later on Animal Jam.